Which of the following molecules represent the order of hybridization sp2, sp2, sp and sp from left to right atoms? Okay, so let's see. In first we have one hydrogen bond with a triple bond, so the triple bond displays sp3, so it cannot be sp2 according to our question, so that case cannot be proceed further. For the second option we have CH2 double bond CH, and that is sp2 reaction. Then we have a single bond, this is also sp2 reaction. For this we have sp1 reaction, and now the following we have a double bond. No, it has three hydrogen bond. It has one hydrogen bond and two bonds. That means that is sp2. It cannot be proceeded further. Then we have this one. It has two hydrogen bonds with it, so that is sp2. Then we have a single hydrogen and double one more hydrogen bond, that is again sp2. Then we have a single bond here with the carbon and one is here, so that is sp. And then we have a single bond here with the carbon, that is also sp. So this is the solution, which is sp2 in order of sp2, sp2, sp and sp. So what are these sp2 hybridization, sp hybridization? Let me tell you in simple words. So the number of hydrogen bonds around each carbon atoms makes sp2, sp3, sp hybridization. So if there is a sp hybridization, that means the carbon is attached with a single hydrogen bond. If there's sp2 hybridization, then the carbon is attached to two hydrogen bonds. This is very simple. This is a very quick question which you can crack in NEET. Then in CH3 this is sp3 hybridization because there are three carbon bonds attached to each other. We just need to identify the carbon by hydrogen bonds and we can find our solution simply.